Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a no contact reading for all the Sagittarius Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 23rd of March. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Sagis, the person that you're in no contact or no communication with their current feelings for you right now. We have the Six of Swords, the Five of Swords, the Four of Pentacles. Okay. This is somebody who feels like they should keep moving ahead in their life, but in their mind, they're still holding on to something, some kind of resentment, anger, some kind of a little bit of revengeful energy. I'm not saying that this person is feeling revengeful towards you and they feel like they should do something shitty. No, it's like a little bit of revengeful energy where they're feeling whatever happened was extremely bad and you should not have done what you did. So basically, this person is feeling like you are the one to blame here, and they're moving on with this energy of Sagittarius is the one to blame here. I did my best. They're still holding on to some kind of not so good energies here. Okay, right now their heart is completely blocked, their feelings are completely blocked when it comes to this connection. Their mind is completely the mind took over this their heart, and their mind is continuously telling them that Sagittarius is the one to blame here, and they're holding on to that energy. Hmm. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Sagittarius? We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. Right now, their intentions are pretty clear that they want to go ahead according to their family's wish, or they want to create some kind of family business. Right now, they just want to go towards a secure, safe, and very, very stable, financially stable future that includes their family somehow. They don't want to go. They don't want to come towards this situation and do something about it. Sagittarius, this person's energies, their heart is completely blocked. They are continuously thinking with their mind. They are not at all connected to their heart when it comes to this situation. Maybe family is the issue or financial stability is the issue, but somehow family is involved here. So they just want to focus on that issue right now, where they are stable and creating something beautiful, long term, safe, and secure, keeping in their mind their family and family background as well. Wow, that's hard. So their intention is to do something about their finances, their safety, their security, their long term energy. That includes their family and family kind of dynamics too. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 23rd of March. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the Moon card. No, refusing to do anything about it. They are taking a step back and they are evaluating the situation from a distance, and they're understanding that this situation never gave them any kind of happiness. They were always scared. They were always in this energy of what if Sagittarius will do this or will do that, or they are going to choose somebody else over me, or they are going to cheat behind my back, or they are not going to be honest with me or loyal with me or whatever. So right now they are supremely focused on this energy of what went wrong in the situation. Instead of thinking positive, they are thinking about all the negatives in the situation and trying to let it go, refusing to connect with you, like literally refusing to connect with you. Hmm. For you, the guidance is the Hierophant. Stay connected with your higher self. And Sagittarius, till this point of your life, with all the experiences and the blessings and the lessons that you have got, you know how it feels to stay connected with your higher self. You know what's best for you. You know what's best for your energies. Who is best for your energies, and you should just focus on that. Basically, the universe wants you to go ahead and find your spiritual space and spiritual happiness and spiritual growth, instead of being focused on this humanly things and wow, and just like hurting yourself only. Yeah, that's the deal. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.